Does it feel like your life is stuck? Same habits, same problems, same broken promises each week. You're not lazy, you're not broken, but something invisible is holding you back. And most people never see it until it's too late. This isn't about motivation. This is about a biological trap your brain built. And today, you'll learn to escape it. Here's the real problem. You've heard it all. Wake up early, be disciplined, work harder, but you already know that. So why don't you do it, even when you truly want to? It's not willpower. It's not time. It's your brain stuck in a comfort loop. First, let's know about the comfort loop. Your life isn't changing because your brain loves what's familiar, even if it's bad for you. Scrolling, procrastinating. I'll start tomorrow. Each comfortable choice gets a reward. Good, we survived. That neural pathway strengthens. The hard path gets weaker. You're not losing discipline. You're perfectly training your brain to avoid discomfort. Why trying harder fails. Telling yourself, I'll be more disciplined, is like bringing a toothpick to a tank fight. You're fighting biology with a pep talk. It will never work. The 3 shifts that rewire your brain. Forget 10 tips. You need 3 core shifts. Shift 1. Lower the goal. Lock the standard. Stop. Work out for an hour. Start. Put on my workout shoes. Make it so small, you can't say no. Do it daily. You're rebuilding the neural pathway, not building a habit. Shift 2. Design your environment. Don't trust willpower. Willpower fails in temptation. Uninstall apps. Charge your phone elsewhere. Hide junk food. Make the right choice, the only easy choice. Shift 3. Build identity. First, action second. Don't think, I need to work out. Think, I am someone who moves daily. Then ask, what does that person do now? Action follows identity. This rewires you from the inside. You may also want to know, the uncomfortable truth, change feels boring before it feels empowering. The rewiring happens in the mundane repetition, doing the small thing when you don't feel like it. The stakes. If you don't break this loop, a year passes, then 5. Same dreams, newer excuses. You'll realize you were waiting to feel ready instead of building the capacity to start. All right, for the ending, you're not behind. You're in a loop, and a loop can be broken. It ends when you choose the tiny, uncomfortable action over familiar comfort. Do that today, then again tomorrow. That's how you rewire. That's how you escape. And if you want to go deeper into how your brain actually gets rewired, watch my new video about procrastination for teenagers, students, and young adults. This one shows you the trap. That one shows you how to rebuild yourself out of it. The loop ends when you do.